Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Oppo Find X2 and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. We start off opening our calendar application and tap on day when we want to add our event. Maybe we can change our view for a month and tap on maybe 20 of December and there is plus icon and event. First step, we can add title of our event. In this part we can add this event about what is it, about our family, work and something like that. In this part, turn on or turn off it will be all day event, or we can set which time event starts and finish. You can also tap on repeat and set repeat of this event if we need it. There we can add this event to people calendar. We can make video conference when event start, add location of our event if we need it. And there we can set notification to our event, and we can add more than one notification, change color about notification, add description and attachment. After we set all you need, press save, and that's all. We have our event in our calendar right now. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.